Mati chiko mdara.
Kuti
Nyaya imaspika Bob Marley.
aiwa ka.
Muswa makoti
Meira.
Bongani Muswani.
Muswa. That was in 1980.
1980.
Right.
Bongani Muswani.
If I cannot remember, inofana kwanga iri 18.
18.
Yeah, of April in 1980.
Saka ndo independence yatina Zimbabwe.
Yes.
Muswa
Yes.
18. Nopaka Robert Nesta Marley.
Aizeka.
Ayo but amungamuconnecta kamaspika msa 18 zvirira msa 18. Connectwa before kaje.
Angari 10 ton weight.
Apa ipinda president akana.
Mira timbonzwa.
Pakai Bob Marley.
Usavhiringidze. Ayo mimika handiti Bob Marley akatanga kuridza musi wa 17.
Alright, 17 akauya ka.
Akaridza musi wa 17 ka.
Akaridza 18.
No, akaridza musi wa 17.
Is that so?
Yeah.
Alright.
Apazoridza musi wa 18 foot.
Right. Musi wa 17 atanga kuridza iye, and you get the point.
Yeah.
The connection yanga iripo ma speakers ese anga asina kudi kwa assembly. Uyo Sauro Vijarona upakona ndiye anga ari assistant wangu ndicho mtaura kuti iwe endawo achikwira mudenga so kunoconnecta chogwino. Because it was so powerful ngirini instrument. Aiwa unazodhingura mbare such as kuti area iyoyo ndiyo affected because wanga wakanyanya kukura.
Saka imimi ndima muri engineer wacho.
Aiwa zvakanakawo futi.
Saka ndimani mimi. Starenyu tikataziya.
Ndiri misimbata.
Mbata. Saka ndima kakonnecta maspika yawo.
Panga patoita fracas
kana uchida uziva kuti uchaona kana wapara
pane pevanga vanhingirikini vanga vatadza kuconnecta maspika aya mainjiniya vakauya nawo kubva kupi
England
kwavo kuna Jamaica iko. Are you with me there? Vangouya manje kwakuconnecta paya Bob Marley ndokururidza but maspika anga asina kuconnectwa ese. Inini manje naSauro ndindakamira pameshini Sauro Vijarona uipakona apo akashayika pana nyazi yes anambuipa pamnini wake uyo Kenny Vijarona ariku police bank. Thank you very much. Ana Kenny nesawa ndakato vafundisa ndini kana kumubvunza iye zvino
Ana Kenny kamoda.
Aiwa King Vijarona uyo papa sweet pakona ka
pana Jondo
pa exactly
Asingemadziza women Thomas.
ndiani
Isabase.
aiwa zvimuningi na wangu kauya uyu
Dzimabvisema
blood aiwa madrama anga aripo angu saka aifundira from there simple
saka mudhare uri mukoma waSebastian Mbata.
zvakasimba
Sebastian Mbata
same blood same mother same father.
Okay.
Mafumo akakurira kupi?
Aiwa Thomas mafumo anga ari muna china mhora meni vanachina mhora achizoenda muningirikino
uyo akutaura akumixa zvinhu akasaunzi muna muenda kwaakasaunzi anditi akasaunzi aitotora mishini yenyu
ichitotora vanhu vangu ana Asha P Asha upesi mambara ndiye aitoridza madhiramu kwekwe namufundisa futi.
Ko muchiri kuziya here vakatanga kuvhura Jobs
night club
muri kuvhiringidza nyaya chichiitwa Sebastian Mbata. Muri kumhanya nenyaya meni
muningina wangu
muningina wenyaya Sebastian airidza nebhendi ripi
Thomas Mafumo. Yeah, he's based in first group in Thomas Mafumo. Obvazi ndakuna Michael Lanas vachinesana na Michael Lanas vachimutora vachitoya vachiona inini Mafumo achiachiona kuti kumudhara mwana ari kuita sei.
Okay.
Lanas wachiva next side kumudhara pochi nanhasi vane mavidhios
na Saba
vane mavidhio na
Michael Lanas
izvozvi aripo koya na Mafumo aripo.
Okay. Saka Saba was he the original way Blacks Unlimited?
Well, no. Saba akazopinda pabuda umwe uya wakadza nawo vachiri kumangura sometime back. Ndobva Saba ndokuzotorwa manje uyo kwamutaro forgetting his name Jonah something.
Kwana Jonas Tole wakazopinda pa.
Jonas Tole vakazouya paya.
Okay.
Jonas Tole avasima founder Blacks Unlimited.
Avasi. Ko Thomas Mapfuma issue here kuti anza na ningi na Oliver Mtukudzi vaimboridza vese.
Oh, of course, they used to have my jam sessions, yes.
yainzi chii
Vaita my jam sessions.
most pava neblack
Pane Black Unlimited ne Black
Spirits.
Saka, eh?
Chicken Run Band.
Chicken Run ndo yakanga iri kwa uko kwavaidza out. Vanga vasiri muMharare.
nomazuva apa mane VW chikombi yainzi chii vari kwaifrequency musikari kwaifrequency
Ko zvekunzi vazhinji vakatangira kwamushandira pamwe issue here.
Inzwai kuna checks we Tutankhamun uyo pana paraini pana. Kowe uyu Amos uyu akafa ari aigara. Tachikoka. Anditika ndo vakatanga chi Tutankhamun.
New Tutankhamun.
Yes, Nana Lesha Josamuka. Joburg bound.
Joburg bound. Aiwa zvidi vari pavidhiyo. Aiwa zvinomakisa. Uya mudhara anokanganisa. Havana unhu. Aiwa mira yatipedzisei zvatiri kutaura. New Tutankhamun chitimbotaura New Tutankhamun.
New Tutankhamun. Ndio ana checks chikerema. Tawengo papa kumraini muno 2+2.
Yeah.
Ana 2+2 vabva uko 2+2 yakazoitwa manje yakurwanwa na Mr. T weko Hatfield. Are you with me there? Ndopa vakazobva ku Tutankhamun vabvaenda ku 2+2. Vaine kombi yanga ichitaurwa iya. Yes please. Ndibvunze nditaure zvese.
Kosa banza hanzi ndiye aipa mudhara dhobho panga ari foreign.
Kui?
Babylon. Hanzi ndiye aimutengesera dhobho.
No, I never used to sell as kuti aiputa. Yeah, I used to do that. Muninangu aiputa. Aiputa sell.
And
yeah, not kuti hanzi aitengesera. No, he was not a trade.
And
he was just smoker, heavy smoker.
Heavy smoker.
Yeah.
A dhobho.
How close he used?
Kwemi munoputa.
No.
Munongorwa madrinks here.
Of course, drinking well is my pleasure.
Mane makore mangani mudhara?
Well, I think you can go and ask my wife, she will tell you better.
Samunatare ukadzi. Mudhara.
Even an Safiri, they started from my hands, man.
Safiri akatangira
Aize. Madzikatire when he started his music, I told to hire my instruments are bond. Kwairizana this one. Uyo kuna bond yachinonzikwa yana bond man. Zata muyo. Ndio maigara bond. Bond ndio paidi. Paya supply my instruments ananinga.
Safiri madzikatire.
Even Safiri aito haya kuna ushu mpaka azotenga ake my instruments.
Okay.
Indichito repair my instruments ake futi ya Safiri. Na nasi kana wana wacho wanaeleja waya, they know me fluently.
Okay.
They know me very well. Kungonoti mdharambara where is he? They all ask for me.
Saka manje apa vachakuonai vamwe vacho.
What do you mean?
Muchakuisai painternet. Munoziva inonzi internet.
Well, even they see me, they have no bad comment about me because I'm saying the truth.
Anditika.
But
vanhu vanofanira kuziva kuti ndimungoma wani.
What's up? Even Elijah, ask Elijah kuti kumdharambata anototi ndewedu.
asi kana mapfumo
Kana ye mapfumo wacho kumvura.
Chimhoresai ka. Mhoresai mapfumo pamwe achakuonai ari kuAmerica.
Well.
Mumhoresai ka. It's obvious
Hello
achakuona.
Mkanya.
Yeah.
Mkanya.
Chete.
Chet.
Zvatopera.
Wish you good luck there. Till
Yeah.
you come back.
mukoma wasabasi
Simple.
Yeah. Mataura pachikura.
Cause you can't like kuti chiye kuti ndahandizive. Totozivana.
izepe
You're not talking like
You see.
izepe
Kona Oliver Mtukudzi munoziyana.
Tuku. Achigara kumati kumba kwawo apa paOld Highfields. Ndi shop yangu iri pamastones paya, pamashops.
Okay.
Tichitopanana ma-instruments kuti ndamunoridza taiso.
Right.
muchiri madhamzi
Of course, ndine imwe set iri kwe ingoda ma-skills. If I fit it, I can hire to anybody.
Anditika.
kopa makazoenda muchipurisa bako
Well, that is my own secret. Yeah, it can't be published. Kujanze.
Pamafika informa.
Well, I'm no more a copy of the inform. I'm just a dicker. Finish. Take it like that.
Just a dickers.
Just a CID.
Yeah.
That's my department now. I don't
It's
put
a
on uniform.
uniform.
I can put on a tie or a suit. Yeah, I can. Or I can come as I am.
What about
When
Chunika?
Chunika is still in the house. That one is
See, you've got everything from Air Force soldier and grey and blue,
only ZRP.
like my neighborhood.
No, not only ZRP. Yeah.
Yeah, if you got that, you still got that band.
Oh my God. That. What you are saying?
I just ask you to learn
Shoulder
learn
title.
from you
You know,
because you're my
shoulder
elder.
title. It's a shoulder title.
Yeah,
Which goes on there. Simple.
you are my elder.
And then what? A whistle. Yeah, it stays in the pocket and then what?
Mune whistle.
Of course, you have to.
You have to have a whistle.
Every cop.
You're supposed to have a whistle.
Yes. Yes. Why not?
So,
Ask me questions I will answer up to tomorrow.
Yeah.
so right now, how many is I?
Why ask my wife? Why ask me?
Munogara kupi aiwa vataura kudhara kuti nomubvunza mudhara munogara kumunani.
My house number is 24 3rd Avenue. That's my home, my house.
Okay. Seri kwedu.
Yes, please.
And
24 seconds.
Yeah,
isi tinogara pa 24 second.
Muri pa 24 second ka kwa mino. Ini pa 24 muna 30. Yes, kwambata.
Kwambata.
Takangotarisana ko.
Original.
Kudhara yatopuwa ni papa po. Ndifika kumba kwawa.
Yeah.
Vachiri vadiki.
Muchitamba na posi.
Izveka. Posi was shorter like almost like myself. Yeah. Good guy. Yeah. But he's late.
Masara madhara mashoma.
Only two Madara Sara, Madara Nzuma, Madara Mbata.
Kule Jonesy.
No, Kule Jones is I taught him how to play music. I taught Kule Jones how to play the bass. Guitar. He's a good bass man here. Even now,
A
he can
bass
play.
or lead?
He was a bassman.
A bassman.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. He can play even a 5-string party for paper. Guitar, yeah.
Okay.
That's why he's got a long one.
No, we can't talk about exaggerating someone who is not
Because he
there.
was playing, always sing.
Uda unetsa nemunhu.
Sort of mixing,
You want to humiliate someone.
Questions to an answer.
Question to answer. Aiwa mudhara munonzani zviya?
Mbata.
Zita renyu.
Full
name.
It's Mbata.
Aiwa last name.
Mr. Mbata.
No.
Saka hamuna zita rekutanga?
Rekutanga, well, I mean, you go and ask my wife as well.
Hamudi naro?
No. Simple, Josiah.
Josiah Mbata.
Yeah, Josiah Mbata. Fernandez is my surname. Yeah.
Munobva kupi?
Originally from Mozambique.
Muri maMosken.
You don't say that way. Not Mosken, even you are Mozambican. But you can't be called Mnyasaland. Kudara, but now you can't say that. Branda, okay, send up to meet Branda like me.
Muri Mosken.
Mosken, you see, in the south, and
Amudizo.
Same like me. I'm from.
You are Mozambican.
Mozambican. You see now. You say the truth.
Yeah.
Now he's talking.
Now he's talking the real thing, yeah.
But the Moscan, you can't.
No, I don't blame. I don't come from Mosque. I come from Mozambique. Portuguese East Africa, long back.
But the Mosque.
I'm not Mosque. Please, man.
My tapo.
No. I can't talk to him because we are Chitaras in Zagalari. It's sort of insulting to dance. You are Mnyasaran. Don't also right now how to feel.
I'll do Zimdara.
I mean, my age, yes. We are all young couple. Then
I'll lose him there.
Aiwa, I don't need
But you can't call him Muskin.
You can't call me Moskin like I'm the right thing, some sweet now. No ways, man. I'm thinking some sweet way. Look inside my phone. You don't want my Moskin. I am not saying
Yes.
You should learn it.
Yes.
Mungu akapoya. And you get the point. Passing by
Border jumper.
immigration, border jump, and you mosque here. You see, now in I'm not like that.
But the originate.
Yes,
The
I'm
originate,
original, but
you are
full-time
from
paper.
Moscow.
You send him out there.
anenge ada kudeno
zuva chimosiya mudhara ataura zvinhu nyaya dzatoda kunzwa
saka mudhara makazvarwa muno mhere muzimbabwe. Were you born in Mozambique?
Why you saying that?
Ayi ndikubvunza
If I know my
indakazvarwa munomu.
I got very educated in Zimbabwe.
is in white skin.
And
You know,
yeah, but born in Mozambique.
You're born in Mozambique.
Yeah, Portuguese is East Africa. That's
Okay.
when I was born.
Mama azoya kuno as a family.
As a family, of course, I was about a year old.
And but Saba was born here.
Saba was born here. All my sisters born here. Even Sumbu, one who is in Mozambique now,
Yeah.
born here.
Okay.
Yes.
Because uyu manje uyada kuwanzira because pamwe anoziva kuti makazvarwa Mozambique.
No, but then I'm fully educated man. You can't ask me.
the Moscows. He was on white color. He was chuka.
And then what happened?
And now it's like a chocolate skin.
Saka utaura kuti havasi kugeza.
No,
Uda kutaura kuti chi.
maybe he's drinking over
What drink?
clocks.
akanganise nyaya
Haukanganisa, usaipisa.
Mixing things.
vhidhiyo yamudhara
Munhu mukuru.
simba
Munhu mukuru.
He's remixing everything.
ivhidhiyo ka
Ividhiyo ka.
obva mudaro wodhese chimuti
Aiwa. Taura zvinoitika muupenyu. Zvinoitika muupenyu.
zvinonakisa kana afuta 10 years kana kuti mumwe munhu ari kuona hazoti uiblazo aiwanzira mudhara
Apo kunyeba.
Auri kunyeba. Noza mudhara ane vana vakakura vaombe kupfuura iwewe.
Unozimakisa ndiyo. Unozimakisa nevanhu because anga uri kuona ndiwo uri kutocriticize mudhara.
You see now?
Unozimakisa nevanhu.
Nobody is too small. He can't criticize me.
Isusu what we trying to do ka toda kuita kuti profile yamudhara ibude zvakanaka muvanhu vachitaura history yavo.
You are welcome. Yeah.
Because ukaona zvikaita tese tichafa tichizvisiya
Exactly.
history iyoyeyi mwe munozoti ndakaona mudhara mbata pavhidhiyo kana muchida kumuona enda pakati payoutube handiti okuonaika kana vana venyu vazukuru vanokuona kuti sekuru vedu vari vapenyu vakatitaura zvakati. Mune vazukuru vangani?
Plenty of them.
Havaverengeki.
Vana wakwasha, there are plenty. Vana wemwana wangu, you know, there are plenty. So,
Kuna Beni. Kuna Beni. Kuna nani futhi? Ana Beni nani?
Hanzi vazhinji shamwari zvekutaura mazita izvo vanozviziva vazukuru vacho.
I'm the highly qualified shoe designer in this Zimbabwe.
Highly qualified shoe designer.
Yes, please.
Maisenzawo?
Well, I did a lot of works in RK Footwear, Ratanges, Conti Shoes. I used to be the designer and shoe production manager. Yes, please.
Ratanje nekukonte.
Plenty, even big boot up on there. Yes.
Samaigadzira mapathfinder, magrasshopper.
This one I'm putting on, I did it myself on the 3rd of this year. For myself, yeah.
Makaigadzira this year?
Yes, for myself. I didn't buy it. I did it myself.
Sure.
From scratch?
Yes, please.
From scratch?
Yes. And I did the shoe for the tallest woman in Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
Mildred.
Mildred?
Yes.
Okay.
She didn't have a size of a shoe. And it was 14 and a half, almost like me, like that.
Yeah.
She went to London with with the ex-husband now, with this one. We used to be Chief Nyashan. Chief Nyashan took this woman to Canada, America, wherever. They could not put it on a shoe. But I did when she came here. I saw in the paper and then I did.
Yeah.
So, what more do you want?
Apana, muri kumberi.
Thank you.
Kumberi. Uyu mnomzeri mngomana. Uyu ana magarasi.
Afana wangwa.
Hey, anonzi Boris. Boris.
Uyu anonzi Gaba.
No, vese ava vamwe vacho vazukuru uyu angatoye muzukuru uyu aiva muzukuru wangu futi noti kuti mufana wangu aiwa hanzi muzukuru weza
Rasa
muzukuru futi
aiwa muzukuru wangu uyu
muzukuru
kwenini mdana
aiwa kamatsangura. You can't talk to me about his father because he used to be my best connection.
Saka best friend yenyu munchikura mara mbare muno mundiani.
Vakawanda.
2 chete.
Only 2.
Ichimbotaura 2.
best of the best.
Awamboshayo 2. Ngokuti makamuka soka mune muchikoti mfesi wangu uyo.
There's this one who does jazz every Sunday. Mlambo. With his late mother, the mother is late, right? Mlambo, yeah. Best friend in which way? In shoe designing or in
life? In life.
Life, somebody who
Even in shoe designing. Anditi maiziana na Hilton Mambo zvese.
Those used to be in my pocket, Melana Mambo. Hilton Mambo, yes. They are alive.
And James Makamba.
James Makamba, of course.
just like me, Mablango. When I wake up in the morning, I look for music.
And Alina Dembo, of course, those I used to punch them.
I know your music, man.
And Elisha Joseph, Jobek Bound. Come on, man.
Jobek Bound.
Yeah.
Ibenderi.
Eh?
Ibend.
No. Jobek Bound is the song that they played with Iripa.
Hit song.
Iripa hit song.
Okay.
Yes. I read the Namus Chachkoko Papa, Papa in Kenya. Na check soon.
Sir,
Tavengo. Hey.
Achiridza manamba.
Shakanyanya. Jobek Bound even now, people can still buy it and still want to listen to it.
Saka mimi munonyanyofarira music yakaita sei?
Well, jazz and rumba.
Jazz and rumba. Rumba
just give us one song.
A bit of pop.
Michael Jackson maimfarira.
Michael Jackson was too young, not much.
Handiti mimi makore enyu pamaikura ka kwangu na brass construction ana OJs.
OJs West.
Yeah.
Favorite. Yeah.
Yeah.
OJs, brass construction, Jimmy Cliff, Banuela.
Yeah.
You're talking of what?
One who Jimbura Magets.
A lot of them. Bob Marley, of course, was
Yes.
But
Jimi
Jimi Hendrix all along the Watchtower.
Yeah.
Special number.
Special number.
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Ask me, I'll tell you.
Saka unzi Jimi Hendrix akauya panapa munomukumbira namba ipi kuti aridze.
All along the Watchtower.
Yeah. Chimbokarova ikambicha.
Just one.
Just kwa line chete 2 line.
One line.
Anobva atofara ka Jimi Hendrix kwari.
Let's get together and feel alright.
Ari kukutambudza eka mufana.
I don't know.
Just give them the lyrics.
Kopa reggae munofarirani?
Reggae, Bob Marley.
Yeah.
Yeah. Banuela.
Yeah.
Banuela West was too serious, that one.
Legendary way.
Yeah, Banuela.
Member of the
And
legendary.
then we got this one, the late now.
Gregory Isaacs.
No, Grigo was, yeah.
The one was Rasa.
Was Impact is good, that one. Where this one, who shake the south.
Not Lucky Dube.
Lucky was almost closer to Nana Bonaway.
Right. Ko German Levi.
German Lee was okay, but Relixia Kangaka
What about
yakadzikira pane ana Bob Marley.
Andrea.
Yeah.
the Blackwood?
Okay, ku Blackwood.
Culture, you know, can't ask me about culture. It's too small for me.
Ku Burning Spear.
Oh, Burning Spear, of course, yes.
Yeah.
Culture.
Yeah.
I tried.
Maita bomb dad.
And then what else? Ask me.
Ayo, mnozorowa ne-dry mouth manje.
No,
No, don't worry.
don't worry, I'm still okay.
It's still okay.
Yeah.
Hapana zvamuda kubvunzira umwe.
Mdara,
Zini daughter to drink.
Ambomira.
We can give you.
Aiwa, musavape mvura mai manje because vanozonwa.
No.
You can go from the Kanas.
Maita bomb dad.
Jimi Hendrix is the best.
Out of them all.
No, he started with the first guitarist. Vazongo Copperwall,
Kwana Elvis Presley.
Elvis Presley, even Jim Reeves, those are decent people. Elvis Presley, before in a track,
Yeah, before he, yeah.
you can walk out when you don't believe in what I say.
Yeah. Ko shidare. Ko Bee Gees. Mneza Bee Gees.
Why not? VGs. Yeah, decent people.
Decent people. And
VGs were decent.
Ko Beatles. The Beatles.
The Beatles. Oh. If you talk of Beatles, you're talking of Elvis Presley as well. That is their type.
Right.
They were, followers. And Jimi Hendrix, Elvis Presley, the Beatles, Phil Collins. Yeah, those are juniors. Phil Collins. Wakachezera from the Beatles.
But Brian Adams anga asiri mumere mumati.
Vanodika.
No, those are juniors.
Okay, you are.
Ndo vari makomodoza.
Yeah, you see.
Before Lionel Richie abuda makomodoza.
You see, Lionel Richie started from the Commodores. Ndokuzokuda kwakunoita ega bana.
What about Ofram Jones?
Oliver Mtukuzalini is my brother. I can say brother, man.
He's a brother from me.
We used to play together, we used to talk together, we even now talk together.
Right.
If I go to Norton, he's there.
Motogara. Have a good time. Pakari Pai.
What do you call it? This place.
Pakari Pai.
Pakari Pai, yeah.
To Norway.
Where is it?
The legends of
To me, is a good friend.
Maita bomb darambati.
Plus, this one, akazopedzera ananhongirikeni. Akurizane orange juice. This one.
Orange juicy bend.
Yes, please. Yanga iri yaRoma.
Yamdara Ronu.
Yeah. Who is this one, man? There's Oliver Mtukudzi. There's this other one. Help me, guys.
Ofram Jones is the legend.
Oh, yeah.
Was the legend was Thomas Mafumo. The one we Iriza, Mfana wenyu Iriza drums.
But
Was
I've
the
got a
best?
question.
There's one I'm missing, man.
Sorry.
I know.
Sorry,
Sorry.
sorry.
I've got a question.
But bend munomu.
You're gonna change.
Bend munomu. Ramunoti raigona.
Well, okay, thank you.
Kuma 70s. And music atanga kuma 60s, 70s.
70s.
Yeah.
Right.
Vaigona before independence. They re-bend Ramukataura.
Well, you could talk of...
There were 4 guys.
my God.
There were 4.
Now there were 4 Aces.
4 aces.
There is Tutankhamen, of course, they were steady people in hotel business.
Yeah.
And sound effects.
Sound effects.
Gasoko,
Yeah.
Yanaman Company.
Yakazopedzera Pied Pipers.
Yeah, Pied Piper, yakazobula imomo ya Pied Piper. Yes, Rihanna was smaller, I understand more smaller is playing the lead or something.
And
More smaller started with me.
right.
Do you know about AA1?
Mdara maita bo.
Ask me, was here. Was here. Ask
That's
me.
here.
Why is it? ndokwakuvanda vaita zvavakita
Right, musicians. Tell us it.
achimonyarira kani
Musicians came from Mbari. Muna third, mune musicians akabuda. Muna mchira hondo akabuda west. Koya this Barbara Church Gold. Adidika mukabuda ndo makafomewa pipe anawafana. Okay. Right, they are late anyway. Munomu west. There was Saba, there was Tikika Samba now who was playing congas for backing vocals for Mutugus. And did guy playing congas, small congas. Yeah. Tikika Samba came from there. 4th Avenue West, even pianists, they were from 4th Avenue.
This one from.
But why is it kuti kune a lot of musicians but hapana andakabudirira kusvika palevel yana Thomas Mapfumo
No,
nana Oliver
it's
Mtukudzi.
courage. You see, courage yourself on whatever you're doing.
Andizvo.
If you are playing your own music, you should put courage into it. You should love your own type of music.
Right.
That's for you to succeed.
Saka panoda patience yakawanda.
Under patience, whether it's a disco, you can't open the full blast on it, on the amplifier.
Right.
Until you get the point.
cannot start on full blast.
You can't start on full blast. Unless if there is a special request of a full blast on a certain number. And you know what?
Even go my soccer players.
With soccer players, I mean, I played with around George Shire. They used to be very good.
George Shire gara.
No, I'm not 40 guys, I have said.
Yeah.
30 and 40, yeah. George Shire.
Ana sticks wana ka.
I was
6
6 Zukuruyo. 6 was Zukuruyo. George Shire is top. Koala Peter Nyama. Peter Nyama and George Shire, they were cousins.
What
Okay.
about this one?
Ko pane mumwe anonzani. Ayo, anonzani kumsoro.
Footballer.
John.
Gaba. Ukunza amborowa zvetu.
The one who was.
Airowa zvetu.
The one who was. Getting mechanic.
Aiwa achifodi nomfa kose.
Ana Josiah Kende ndio kufoma Dynamos.
Alan Jom.
Josiah Kende, we are going to sit on the late night. Down there, we walk in the conquist.
Ana show.
Show and Riyadi.
And Riyadu, they followed after George Shire.
Okay.
George Shire is the big chopper brass.
Achiri we George.
Well, he's still a big supporter of the merchant. Then I think he's in the chop office.
Administration.
Administration of yes, please. Yes.
Yeah, ndofunga ta majekesa.
Whatever, ask me. Till tomorrow I'll be
Aiwa, tichakutozopedzisa kamangwana.
Part 1.
Part 1.
End of part 1.
It's a part.
Okay.
Because imimi takaramba takadayoka. Vanhu vada kumirira kuzonzwa zvamuchataura page 2.
Page 2, well, I'll say, provided you ask it to me.
Maita basa. Thank you very much, Mr. Mbata.
You're welcome.
Thanks. Bye-bye.
And thanks from everyone.